add a photo widget to the home screen of your Samsung Galaxy S26, you're going to begin by long pressing on an empty space on your home screen, and then in the editing menu, you're going to tap on Widgets. Under Widgets, scroll and select the app gallery, and then you should see different widgets available for you to choose from. So tap on a widget that you'd like to use, say for example this one, and then select the option Add. Confirm that you wish to give gallery access to your photos and videos, so just allow. And once you've done that, now all you need to do is simply tap on the widget again, and then choose the option Select Album or Select Images. Then choose where the images are going to come from, say for example screenshots or even pictures, and then tap on Done. And now those are the images that will be shown on the widget. If you want to move the widget around, you're going to long press on the widget like so and drag it to whatever position you want. You can move it across home screen pages if that's what you want. And then when you're happy with where your widget is going to be, just let go of the screen. Depending on the widget that you choose, you can either make the widget smaller or bigger according to your preferences. And then when you're happy with how the widget's looking like, you can just let go. If you want to customize your widget even further, maybe by changing the images or just the shape, you're going to long press on the widget and then select Settings. From here, you can now choose the shape the widget is going to take. And then you can also tap on Images to show, and you can choose between album and images again. And depending on the size, the shape of the widget that you've chosen, you can also customize the display method. So you can select Center and Fill Widget, Fit to Widget, or Stretch to Fill Widget. Once you're happy with the customizations that you have made, you're just going to tap on Save to apply the changes. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.